Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make mustard fried chicken, as well as some keto mac and cheese, which is just basically cauli mac and cheese. So this is my chicken that I washed up. I'm going to season it with some lemon juice, as well as some creole seasoning. At this point right here, you can season it with whatever spices you prefer. To this, I'm also going to add some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika on chicken. Some hot sauce, and of course some mustard. This is the mustard I had in my house, so that's the mustard I'm using, which is chipotle mustard, as well as some pepper. And you want to mix this up just like this and allow it to marinate. Mine's marinated for about 6 hours while I went on with my day, but 4 hours or up to overnight is even better. But of course you can fry it right away. In my bowl right here, I have flour. To this, I'm going to add some cornstarch. You guys know I don't fry chicken without cornstarch. The same seasoning, which is the Creole seasoning. This chicken bouillon seasoning. And some pepper. I did not add smoked paprika or paprika to the flour because in my opinion, I feel like paprika burns when you fry it. And that's why I never added to my flour. This is my cauliflower right here that I'm going to make it. I already have this on my channel, so I'm just going to breeze through it real quick. I boil it in chicken broth or stock to get more flavor. This is how I'm going to make the sauce. It's just heavy cream cheese, a little butter. And you're just going to put it on the stove and heat it up until it thickens. And then you add your cheese, and that's pretty much it. You can season it how you want to, but I am going to put below the real recipe from start to finish, the link, and you guys can check that out. I'm also grating some fresh garlic down in here. Once the sauce thickens, I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese as well as my sharp cheddar cheese. And you're going to mix that up just like this. And that's pretty much it. It's easy and simple. I love it. I don't miss the macaroni or the noodles when I make it this way. And, so this is what I made to go along with the fried chicken. Alright, so now I'm just going to add the cheese sauce to the cauliflower just like this. Mix it up. You could also do this step in the pan that you're actually going to bake it in. Mix it up, and then you're going to put it into your baking pan and cover it with cheese. At this point, all we're doing is melting cheese, so you don't need to bake this to death. As you can see here, the chicken is already wet, so you don't need any eggs. However, I can't tell you guys how to fry your chicken, but I don't use eggs if I'm doing this process. So I'm just going to bread it simply, just like this. So easy and simple. Put it on a plate while I do the other wings, and then we're going to fry them. People often ask me what's the secret to frying chicken, and one of the things I tell them, do not overcrowd the pan and never fry cold chicken. Right now my chicken's been sitting out on the counter for like 45 minutes and before I even breaded it. So make sure your chicken is not cold at all. It needs to be room temperature so that it could cook evenly and crisp. So this is what the chicken looked like, you guys. It's just so perfectly golden. The mustard gives it such a yellow hue to it, and I just love the color of it. It's so beautiful. This is the cauliflower mac and cheese, and this was dinner tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I also made a little drink, which I'm about to show y'all right now. Just a quick little something, but yeah, so all I had was this little thing of Bacardi. Y'all don't tell my husband on me. This little thing of Bacardi. I added some juice and some ice, and that was it, y'all. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.